Are you in the market looking for a water resistant bag to go on the back of your ATV? Well, you're in luck because Kemimoto has got you covered. Inside this bag, it's gonna have two smaller bags. These bags are gonna be the same, so we're only gonna cover one. These are what they call soft coolers. They're lined with plastic and they're coolers to keep your drinks, your sandwiches, whatever you want cold. You can toss ice in there or just use them as storage. Right here's the main storage bag. These bags also have an upgraded zipper, so you won't have any issues with the zippers getting clogged with mud because they have a cover that goes around them. This also comes with a seat. Now these seats are not designed to be used for a passenger on your ATV. It does feel nice and cushiony. It's got a nice back here. It's Velcro as well. These zippers are nice and smooth to use. I got these to use to put my camera gear in for out on trails. They come with nice buckles so you can latch it to your ATV. And guys, we will be doing an install video here soon. So keep an eye out on the channel for a full video on how to install this, and we'll get you up and going. We're gonna install this on a 2022 CFMOTO C-Force 600 Touring. Guys, so we went riding today and put these Kemimoto bags to the test, and I want to show you that they got covered in mud, and I want to show you that the zippers open up easy, but I also wanted to show you they're dry inside. I mean, they kept all my camera stuff safe, and I want to show you, let's see, because these zippers have dirt blockers on them. I am doing this one hand, but let's see. Look how easy that is. Bone dry in there. Bone dry. So guys, I say Kemimoto bags definitely passed the Redneck Garage test. Packed them with mud on top. Everything stayed nice and dry and safe. They stayed on the four-wheeler. So guys, if you're looking for a nice bag, it does have a seat for the non-2-up models. What we had to do to make it fit our 2-up model is we just cut the seat off, is all we did, and we turned the bag around. And you can see they went right on the CFMOTO C-Force 600 Touring just fine. Snapped right on, no problems there, and they held up great in the woods today, guys. So if you're interested in these bags, I will have a link down below in the video description if you want to check that out. I want to thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below if you have a Kemimoto product, and let me know how you like it. Peace out, guys.